Welcome back to Celebrity Sweets. It's really close to spooky season, like Halloween. I've been celebrating Halloween like this whole month. However, I thought we'd round it off with one more cool treat. Today, we're going to be making some mini witch cauldrons out of some brownies and some chocolate ganache. They'll be like bubbling and oozing a green like potion. So let's get started. These bubbly little brownie bites began with brownies, of course. I've just got a store-bought brownie mix here. It's quicker and easier. And then I'll add in what that recipe called for. Mine is oil, water, and egg. I'll give our brownies a good mix, making sure all the ingredients are well incorporated. I should also note that this is a chocolate chip free brownie mix. Like, it's just brownies. You know, they have all those varieties, but I found this one works best for what we want to accomplish. Sometimes the chocolate chips don't melt all the way, so it's hard to imprint them into our brownies. At this point, we have a really ooey gooey brownie, and this next step is totally optional. I just want to add a little bit of black food coloring. The brownie's already dark enough, but you just picture a cauldron as kind of like a black pot. So add a few drops and mix it into your brownie. The brownie batter is now even darker, so we can begin to fill our pans. I've got a 24 count mini cupcake pan here. I just lightly greased it, and now I'm going to start scooping in about a tablespoon or so of brownie batter to each of our molds. So all of our little brownie bites are filled. They've got batter in all of them. And now I want to pop them in the oven at 325 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. We're just looking for these to come out clean, and then we'll get to doing the fun part. I just took our brownies out of the oven and they're still very hot, I can feel it. But this next step we want to do right away before they set, and that's because we want these to be cauldrons, and a cauldron, has a place where you put things in. Right now they really don't. So I've got a teaspoon measurement here. I was just looking for something that's roughly smaller than the brownie bites themselves. And I'm gonna press this into our brownies, creating basically like a cavity. Our little mini cauldron brownies are almost ready. We've got a hole in the center. So now we need to fill these cauldrons with our potion. The potion for this cauldron is really just chocolate ganache. This is a white chocolate ganache. I used about a half a cup of white chocolate chips to a fourth a cup of heavy whipping cream. Heated the heavy whipping cream up in the microwave and then poured it over the chocolate. Allowing the chocolate to sit for about 3 minutes, then I stirred in a little bit of green food coloring and allowed it to set. I'm gonna spoon in a little bit of chocolate ganache to all of our cavities, and don't worry if it bubbles over. That's kind of cool. And I just thought I could finish off these cauldrons with some of these sprinkles here. They're the ones that are like the little balls. And here they are. Our spooky cauldron brownie bites that we made today in honor of Halloween, which is fast approaching. This simple brownie recipe is just so cute. It's perfect for little parties. Just a little bite of brownie. Just pick one up and if you have other requests for celebrity sweets, leave them down in the comments below. And until next time, savor life and make it sweet. If you enjoyed today's video, let me know by hitting that like button down below, and while you're at it, subscribe. You can do that by clicking this cute little donut right down here. If you're looking for more content, up here's my latest video, and down here's what YouTube thinks you should watch. That's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next video.